Hello, good morning. Welcome to my channel. This is my husband. We are going to the park. Oh, we are here, in the park together, my hubby. Say hello.
Hello.
Because today is my off, we go together. And let's see. See, it's very nice. It's green. And it's very quiet because the other people is going to church. Pag winter, maraming mga orange dito at saka lemon. Babalik kami sa winter. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano karami yung mga orange at saka lemon kasi sa atin, sa Pilipinas, mahal ang orange. So dito kahit anuhin mo pa lahat na sa lupa. And this is the fruit. Yes.
Red.
It's red.
Rodakino.
Rodakin the name. It's a fruit.
Of course.
This. Yes. Like there are a lot of fruits here. But I think this one we have no. I think wala sa Pilipinas dito. Yan. Yung orange talaga, super napaka nahuhulog lang sa lupa. Babalik kami dito sa winter. Yeah. This is my tour guide, my husband. Hi.
Hello.
Yan, malapit na tayo sa animals. Iba't ibang hayop na nandito. May chicken. Ayan Ayan. Chicken. At saka may yan?
After another chicken.
Yes.
It's nice. We are watching.
Do not feed the animals. My rabbit. Dito, ang rabbit kinakain nila. Special yung rabbit sa mga siprit. Birds.
Fazan.
They're birds. Itong park nito ay sa mga Orthodox. Pero pwede din kami makapasok dito sa loob. Mayan, Pato, it's duck. We have all. Where's? It's a duck. They're swimming. Ew. Smell. But it's okay because it's our day today. Baho. It smell. And what is this, baby?
I know, understanding. This the color. This.
Yeah. Look. Ayan pa, Yan.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, the big one. Meron pala dito. It's finished there. Have still there. This is my tour guide today. I'm so lucky.
Look, the fruits.
Huh?
Fruits.
Ah.
Big bird.
You have also here.
two.
There are two. Oh,
But take this very dangerous.
yeah. Maybe no. He cannot fly. Can't fly.
Wow.
There are two. Ooh. Give me, I will picture for you. Ito yung park.